We are South Florida Raga Labs, and we did Shri Guru Guha, set in Rupakam Talam. And this was a unique experience for us because we have never been, well, I have personally never been under the camera, and I have never really gone to a professional studio or anything. So this was really a unique experience for me, and on behalf of all of us, we want to thank Raga Labs.
It was funny how when we were practicing, like in the main rehearsal, how we were all taught to like pass the plate to like the next person when we were like doing the slocum in the beginning, so how we like interacted with everyone. It was really funny to see because we never usually do that, and how we like adjusted to it and how we reacted to like the first time someone telling us to do it was really funny to see how like everyone like brought their own essence into the thing, so to speak.
Well, I already knew this song before I started, but then so it was really cool to learn like two different versions of the song because they were totally different, the two ways I learned them. And it was also really funny to pass the plate. Yeah.
Just like Ashwin said, I've never been under camera while I sang, and it was fun learning that I needed to smile, and it made the whole experience more fun when everyone was smiling. So especially when you know them so well and they're all smiling at you, so it makes you want to smile, and it's like a really fun experience.
Yeah. It was like nice to hear yourself and everybody else in the recording studio when you put the headphones on.
Those are cool headphones.
Yeah, and like when we're taking the video, it was nice to see how the different angles with like
all the camera's lights on me was really different for me, and I've actually never had the experience before, just like he said. And I really liked the experience that Indian Ragas gave me.
Since we were on camera and not on the stage, like we were kind of performing for ourselves in the group and just like enjoying the music instead of like just playing on a stage for an audience, like kind of impersonally. So that was something new.
I personally never learned this song before, so it gave me a good experience. Like the instructor told me to open my voice up, and that really helped me. It's in Ragam Suddha Saveri in Muthuswami Dikshitar's school. Its Ragam is called Devakriya. It is set to Rupaka Talam.